Your hand, your hand.
Nathan, enough na.
Let go.
Oh.
Not yet, there are more lettuce. What is this, a lettuce?
Mhm. Oh, let go na, let go na. Let go. Oh. Wow, you're a good feeder.
Is this a turtle food?
Mhm.
Lettuce is turtle.
Good, good. Oh. Oh, you're too close, you're too close.
Yung daliri niya masyadong malapit.
Yeah.
Sa dulo lang po yung hawak.
Get it fell.
I can't
Get it fell.
too near.
Sayang. Okay.
Oh, this one. What?
Pepe!
Don't go outside. Don't go outside. We're going outside na.
No.
Okay, let go.
Let go na, let go. Don't go backward.
Okay.
Okay.
Next, what are the more?
No more na.
Yay!
There. You get... Pwede pa ko ako. Oh, there. Last.
Last one.
Last one. Good job.